Here we go. This is our little progress check in our YouScience that we've been doing some work in. Take a peek. You'll see we have 409 people waiting to get their invitations for YouScience. So time to say yes to those things. We're in progress with 103 people are in the middle of doing that work. What does this analogy mean? How does this math work? What is this vocabulary all about? And then there's 47 of you that are absolutely completed and you're working on this stuff. So good job to you guys. Pretty soon I will do this part over here and download a group report. So obviously we're finding this hard and long, but we're also going to find it helpful. Remember, some stuff takes a while to mean something and then it means a lot. I'm going to go down into here to where it says aptitudes again. I like this part because it tells me about myself. I crushed it. I told you that I'm a brainstormer, but I need to think a little bit more about that. What does that really mean about me? Read it slowly, learn about yourself. Then when it tells me I can explore it, this is especially true for you 47 people that are already done, I can explore how would a brainstormer interact. So this tells me about me. It tells me even more. I can really drill down deep and learn about myself. See where this says bookmarks? I think this is helpful. I'm going to build a portfolio that tells me where I can come back to my things. So I'm going to go back over here to careers and see where it says my careers that I had here, and it says secondary teacher. Well, I think I'm going to save that. I've actually done this. This is my 30th years of working in a school, so I could save that. I could say that that's a good match. Instructional coordinator. I don't know. Some days I feel like I'm pretty good at that. And then definitely here's my counseling job. So I'm going to save that career to my stuff. Now, let's imagine that I really wanted to be a veterinarian, but it didn't show up in my list. I could go ahead and go up here and put that. And it's going to tell me it's a fair fit for me. See that? Fair fit. Doesn't mean that I shouldn't do it, but it's a fair fit for me. Things to think about. Let's go back one. See, it's got my saved careers up there now. So let's go back. I've lost my cursor because I'm trying to do two things at once. Let's go back and notice this part about colleges. Some of you have been talking about that. What are some schools that are in our area that would tell me some of these? What's available for me? Well, these are some local schools. So please spend some time. Look around. See what you think. A lot of our students have used this one, the University of Washington at the Tacoma campus. Well, this tells me about the school. So you could get lost in YouScience for a long time. If you're done with your inventory, keep messing around. If you're not done with your inventory, keep finishing up. Have a great week, you guys. Take good care of yourselves.